Here's the latest update for the ongoing snow across much of western Wyoming, and also maybe translating east of the divide as we head toward later tonight into the Monday time frame. Let me get my clicker here, help if I had that. Watch warnings and advisories. These are pretty much the same as they have been the past couple of days. Still have those warnings, the Tetons, Southern Wyoming range, as well as the western slopes of the winds. Around that, the winter weather advisories, basically Yellowstone, the Absarokas, South Pass, including the eastern winds, Pinedale, as well as the Jackson and Star Valleys. All of these expire at 11 o'clock in the morning on Monday. Look at our threat matrix. You can see snow pretty much continuing all the way through the day today. The one important difference today is I think the heaviest snow was mainly down the southern part of the western part of the state yesterday. Shifting a little bit further to the north, especially as we head toward the evening hours, and you see that purple right there. That's probably going to be the area of maximum impact. I think Teton, southern parts of Yellowstone. So you're going over Tokenie Pass, Teton Pass, anytime I'd say after sunset till about 1 or 2 in the morning. It's not going to be any fun there. It could be very heavy snow falling there. It could be 1 to 2 inches an hour at times. Maybe winds gusting over 40 miles per hour, blowing and drifting that snow around. So it's not going to be any fun. But I think the biggest impacts for most of the area be right here between about 5 and 11 o'clock, and maybe till about 1 or 2. Then things improving toward dawn, and just light snow lingering, I think, for Monday, much of Monday. Here's the winds we were talking about, 28 miles per hour. That's in Jackson itself, higher winds as you head toward the northern part of the valley, especially north of the airport. Now, the highest winds from this are going to be obviously right here in the mountains, but also lower elevations, Rock Springs up here toward Casper. This will be mainly during the day today. They usually die off once the front goes through around Casper. And in Rock Springs, this will be mainly post-frontal, probably after midnight. Could see wind gusts. That could be a little low. I could see wind gusts of 50, 55 miles per hour. All here along I-80 with some snow showers, so it might not be any fun traveling here, especially after midnight tonight. The other area of concern I have is up here around the Buffalo area, 41 miles per hour at Buffalo. That's in town. Up toward the airport could be wind gusts of 50, 55 miles per hour. Again, with snow coming in here later tonight, not going to be any fun traveling in this area. Probably between about 1 or 2 o'clock and about 9 o'clock in the morning on Monday. And our probabilistic snowfall here. Now, you'll get a lot of snow east of Divide. Many places not seeing much. Casper will get some, but they could pick up less than an inch if this verifies, mainly just in the bighorns. Attention obviously comes over here to the western portion of the state. Minimum amount today, anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches in the Jackson Valley, maybe 1 to 3 across the, 1 to 3 in the Jackson Valley, 1 to 2 in the Star Valley, I should say. The reason for this is because there's some warm air coming in, while some southwest flow ahead of the cold front that's going to come in during the evening hours. And this could mix with or change over to rain for a while, keeping the accumulations down. But highest elevations of the Tetons, right there. At least another 12 to 18 inches, I think, there as we head through Tuesday. And as we head toward the maximum amount, big jump there you can see, anywhere from 6 to 8 inches if it doesn't change over across the Star Valley, maybe up to 10 additional in the Jackson Valley. But where's your attention draw with those colors? Right there. Things set up right. Some places may pick up an additional 30 inches of snow from 5 o'clock, pretty much through about Monday. They're not going to see a lot of snow here on Monday night. Maybe the higher elevations of the mountains, an additional 10 to 18 inches though. Now as we shift east of the divide, this is the area I'm most concerned about there. Now this will be starting on Monday. Today, through most of tonight, you're not going to have any problems here other than the wind. Snow will probably break out here, I'd say about 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, continue on and off pretty much all the way through the day and into tonight as well. Could be locally 4 to 5 inches there. It could see maybe as much as 8 up on top of Casper Mountain, but miles are a little bit split on this. Some of them actually kicked the snow out here by about midnight on a Monday night, so this might end up being a little bit too high. That's why there's no advisories in here right now. Now elsewhere across the area you can see it's basically 1 to 3 inches. That's why, you heard me say this before, snow banding. Take a drink if you do. I'm going to take one right now. Don't worry, boss, it's water, it's not alcoholic. Anyway, anywhere from about 1 to 3 inches, again, snow banding, situation where you get a snow band over you, it could pick up 2 to 3 inches, you go 5 miles outside of that, you might not get a flake. And they're really hard to pin down even 6 hours out, or more than 24 hours out. So I'm not even going to try to guess on that, but just be aware of that during the day on Monday, you could run into some pretty good snow showers in this area. Now the most likely accumulation, the middle ground, about anywhere from about 3 to 6 additional inches across the Star Valley, about 4 to 8 across the Jackson Valley. Most likely accumulation across areas east of the divide. We're probably looking at anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches in the Wind River Basin, also the Bighorn Basin, 1 to 2 inches in Johnson County. Obviously, Casper the most likely accumulation through Tuesday morning, about 2 to 3 inches there, more up on the mountain, obviously. In the highest elevations, Tetons, southwest Yellowstone, those to be the epicenter. probably up to another 2 feet most likely across the highest elevations here. Here's our resources. You want weather, just go to our website, weather.gov/RIW. Now you want to call for those road conditions. Don't call us for the road conditions. Go right here, get them right from the source here on the web, wildroad.info. If you're in state, want to call them on the phone, in-state 511, out of state 1-888-WILD-ROAD. Be safe, everybody, and enjoy your day.